Would you like to spend more positive time with your teen? I can help. My name is Katie May, and I am a teen therapist. And one of the positive parenting strategies that we talk about in our Parent DBT group is the ability to give positive feedback. The best way for parents to increase the behaviors that they want to see in their teens, including positive interactions, is to notice what they're doing right and give them positive feedback about that. So, spending time with your teen, spending enjoyable, relaxing time with your teen, actively listening to them. These positive parenting strategies will be more effective than relying on criticism, negative feedback, or punishments, or focusing on what your teen is doing wrong. One of the things that our teens learn in our teen DBT skills groups is how to accumulate positive experiences. And this means to focus on what's going to build positive, pleasant, happy well being in their lives, and to continue to focus on accumulating, like gathering these experiences on an everyday basis so that they can create their life worth living. So between you and your teen learning to positively reinforce, learning to build up those positive experiences, together you can create more positive interactions so that you can both enjoy each other's company more in the future.